Linux Mint versus Bazzite. Which one should you choose? If you're thinking about switching to Linux or you're already using it and wondering which distro fits your needs best, two names keep coming up a lot right now: Linux Mint and Bazzite. They both aim to be beginner-friendly, but they take very different approaches. One is a polished, traditional desktop system built for everyday reliability. The other is a modern, gaming-first system designed to feel like a console while still giving you a full desktop when you need it. Here's a clear, practical comparison so you can decide which one makes more sense for you. So, what is Linux Mint? Linux Mint is one of the longest-running and most popular desktop Linux distributions. First released in 2006, it is based on Ubuntu, specifically the long-term support versions, and focuses on stability, familiarity, and ease of use. Its main desktop environment is Cinnamon, which feels close to a classic Windows layout. Start menu, taskbar, system tray, and straightforward window management. You can also choose Mate or XFCE editions if you prefer something lighter. Mint is designed so that most people can install it, open the software manager, install the apps they need, and start working without digging into the terminal. It includes multimedia codecs, a solid set of default applications, and a large, well-established community with plenty of tutorials and support. The current series, Linux Mint 22.x, is based on Ubuntu 24 LTS 4 LTS and is supported with security updates until 2029. Updates arrive at a measured pace, prioritizing reliability over the absolute latest packages. Now, what is Bazzite? Bazzite is a much newer project, launched in 2023 by the Universal Blue community. It is built on Fedora Atomic desktops, the Immutable lineage formerly known as Silverblue and Kinoite. The goal is simple: deliver a SteamOS-like experience that works on regular PCs, laptops, handhelds, and home theater setups, not just Valve's hardware. It comes with Steam, Lutris, Heroic Games Launcher, Proton Tools, Mango HUD, and other gaming utilities already set up. You can choose images with KDE Plasma or GNOME, and there are special deck variants that boot straight into a console-style gaming mode. Because it is immutable, the core system files are protected. Updates are atomic. Either the whole update applies cleanly or it doesn't, and you can roll back quickly if something goes wrong. Applications are mainly installed as flat packs, with DistroBox available when you need traditional package managers. Bazzite tracks Fedora's release cycle more closely, so it tends to ship newer kernels and graphics drivers sooner. Proprietary NVIDIA drivers are included by default on the appropriate images, and there is strong support for AMD and Intel hardware as well. Now about key differences side by side: base and philosophy. Linux Mint is a traditional mutable system based on Ubuntu. You can install and remove packages freely with apt. Bazzite is immutable and based on Fedora Atomic. The system image stays clean. Most software lives in containers or flat packs. Desktop experience. Mint's Cinnamon desktop feels familiar to Windows users and is highly customizable in a conventional way. Bazzite offers modern KDE Plasma or GNOME, plus an optional Steam gaming mode that turns your PC into something closer to a living room console. Gaming focus. This is where the biggest gap appears. On Mint, you can install Steam and Proton in-game just fine, but you usually need to set up extra tools yourself. Bazzite ships with the full gaming stack ready to go: HDR, VRR, controller support, performance tools, and more. For handhelds and HTPCs, it is especially strong updates and stability. Mint prioritizes long-term stability with LTS releases. Bazzite delivers more frequent updates and newer hardware support, but the immutable design keeps the system resilient and easy to recover. Software installation: Mint uses the familiar apt package manager plus Flatpak. Almost every Linux tutorial works with it. Bazzite relies primarily on Flatpaks and the Bazaar App Store, with DistroBox for cases where you need traditional packages. It is less tinker-friendly by design, hardware, and drivers. Both work on modern 64-bit PCs. Bazzite generally has an edge with very new hardware and NVIDIA cards because of its fresher kernel and pre-bundled drivers. Mint is solid on a wide range of machines and often preferred on older systems where stability matters more than the latest features. Community and learning resources. Mint has a huge, mature community and years of documentation. Bazzite's community is growing quickly, especially among gamers and handheld users, but it is still smaller and more specialized. Now, who should choose Linux Mint? Pick Linux Mint if you want a reliable everyday desktop for browsing, office work, media, light content creation, or learning Linux. You value a familiar interface and long-term support. You prefer the freedom to install software the traditional way and follow the vast number of Ubuntu Mint guides online. Gaming is secondary, you play occasionally but do not need a console-like setup. You're coming from Windows and want the smoothest possible transition with minimal surprises. Now, who should choose Bazzite? Pick Bazzite if gaming is a major reason you're looking at Linux. You own or plan to use a handheld ROG Ally, Legion Go, etc., a mini PC as an HTPC, or simply want a Steam Deck-style experience on a regular desktop, you like the idea of an immutable system that is hard to break and easy to roll back. You want newer drivers and gaming tools available out of the box with less configuration. You're comfortable primarily using Flatpaks and do not mind learning a slightly different software model performance reality check. In many real-world tests, raw frame rates in the same games are often very close between a well-set-up Mint and Bazzite once the hardware is the same. The difference is usually more about convenience and driver freshness than magic performance gains. Bazzite shines by removing the setup friction and keeping the system lean for gaming. Final thoughts? Neither distribution is objectively better. They solve different problems. Linux Mint is the polished, dependable daily driver that millions of people already trust for regular computing. It stays out of the way and just works. Bazzite is the specialized tool that makes Linux gaming feel approachable and console-like on almost any modern PC or handheld. It is purpose-built for people who want to play games with as little friction as possible while still having a real desktop available. If your main use is productivity, media, or learning Linux, start with Linux Mint. If games are the priority and you want that SteamOS-style experience without being locked to Valve's hardware, Bazzite is currently one of the strongest options available. Both are free, open source, and can be tested from a live USB before you commit. Try them side by side if you can. The best way to decide is to spend a few hours with each and see which one feels right for how you actually use a computer.